Okay, so hey guys, it's Izzy and I'm going to be painting this easel. So these are, it's just wood. It's a wood easel. So yeah, I'm just going to be starting to paint this easel. I'm going to start by taking this piece off. It probably has a name, but I don't know what it's called. I'm just going to slide it off. I'm also just going to be unscrewing this knob here, which is like to tighten this on the easel. I don't want to paint this part here because it's just going to get covered in paint, so I'm not going to paint that part. Okay, so for the easel design, I kind of want to do like just kind of rainbow stripes or something like that. I just want to go kind of simple just because I'm not sure how much of this is going to get covered in paint. But yeah, I am excited to get started on this. I'm actually gonna just unscrew these, I think they're called butterfly nuts, I'm not exactly sure, from the easel so that these parts here can just come down. Okay, now it's more free moving. I am going to start with gesso as always, and just gessoing all the parts that I am going to paint. For the wood, you don't necessarily have to gesso. The acrylic paint will stick to it. I personally more do it because then that way I don't have to do as many coats of paint on the wood. So now I'm just going to be taking a toothpick and the gold paint that I put on there and putting some stars on the rainbow parts. And you'll notice that I have way better lighting right now, and that's because we recently got some ring lights, so I set those up and using those, so my lighting is a lot better now. But now I'm just going to be painting some little gold stars. So here is the finished product. I love how it turned out. I love the blending between each color. I just feel it gives it more character. And this gold stars on it just pull all the gold details together. The gold really complements all the colors, makes them stand out, but also adds a bit of like pizzazz to it. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye!